Hangeul and Korean. Lecture 1. How are you? I'm Jeong Eui Princess. I am King Sejong's second daughter. When he invented Hunminjeongeum, I assisted him. After the creation, I received a lot of praise for his contribution to spreading it. From now on, I will become a Korean teacher in the 21st century. We will have a lecture on from Hangeul to Korean grammar, after understanding the fundamental principles of Hangeul creation. Through this, I realized the basic structure of Korean grammar. We aim to learn Korean more easily. To this end. 1. Hangeul status. 2. Hangeul creation principles. 3. Korean phoneme. I will conduct the lecture in order. 1. Among Hangeul status. 1. The status of King Sejong. Hangeul. The only writing in the world that knows the creationists, the purpose of creation, and the principles of creation, was created in 1443 by King Sejong, the fourth king of the Joseon dynasty, with the help of scholars of Jiphyeonjeon, and distributed in 1446. At the time of the creation, it was called Hunminjeongeum, and it was built by King Sejong out of love for the people, meaning the right sound to teach the people. The name Hangeul means big, writing, and correct writing. It was first used by linguist Jiphyeonjeon in 1913. From now on, I will explain King Sejong and the global status of Hangeul. UNESCO, a UN organization specializing in education, science, and culture, has been awarding the Sejong Literacy Award since 1990. The award is presented on World Literacy Day to promote King Sejong's spirit, which has greatly improved his ability to decipher texts, and to individuals, or organizations, who have participated in UNESCO's efforts to eradicate illiteracy. The picture at the bottom right shows an interview between officials from the Aging Nepal and the World United Schools, who won the 2020 UNESCO King Sejong Literature Award. King Sejong's achievements have been recognized worldwide, to the extent that UNESCO established an award to honor the spirit of King Sejong. And the world-renowned publisher of humanities and social sciences, Routledge in the United Kingdom, published the 50 major thinkers of language and linguistics in 2011, putting King Sejong on the list along with Plato, Aristotle, and Chomsky. Professor Margaret Thomas of Boston University, who wrote the book, introduced the 50 greatest linguistic thinkers in human history, and said the following. King Sejong is one of the most creative people who drives curiosity about language. Professor Julie Brecht of the University of Colorado Mesa, U.S., who wrote the book review. It is described as follows. The description of King Sejong's ideas and achievements in Korea is not only fascinating in itself, but also very important in the development of overall historical thinking about language. As you can see in the table above, King Sejong, along with prominent linguists from BC to modern times, is one of the greatest figures in the world.